The idea of artificial intelligence, EAI, started in the mid-20th century. People wanted to make machines that could think like humans. The term artificial intelligence was first used in 1956 at a meeting at Dartmouth College. Some important people in the early days of AI are Alan Turing, John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and Warren McCulloch and Walter Pitts. Turing introduced the Turing test, which is a way to measure if a machine can think like a human. McCarthy helped create the programming language Lisp, which is used in AI research. Minsky and Papert worked on the perceptron, which is an early type of artificial neural network. McCulloch and Pitts created a mathematical model of how the human brain works. The early years of AI were full of hope, but progress was slower than people thought it would be. This led to a time called the AI winter in the late 1970s and 1980s, when people were not interested in AI research. AI research has gotten better in recent years thanks to advances in machine learning, neural networks, and computers. AI is now used in many different parts of our lives.
The early development of AI marked significant breakthroughs in specific domains. One of the early milestones in AI was the development of the first chess-playing computer. In 1956, researchers at Los Alamos Scientific Laboratory created the Maniac Eye computer, which could play a rudimentary version of chess. However, it was the advent of computers like IBM's Deep Thought in the 1980s and later Deep Blue in the 1990s that demonstrated substantial progress. Deep Blue, in particular, made history by defeating the reigning world chess champion, Garry Kasparov, in 1997. This achievement showcased the potential of AI systems to excel in complex strategic thinking and decision-making. Natural language processing, NLP, a subfield of AI focused on enabling machines to understand and generate human language, has seen notable milestones over the years. Early rule-based systems, 1950s-1960s. The Georgetown IBM experiment in 1954 demonstrated an early attempt at machine translation. Researchers developed rule-based systems that aimed to translate sentences from Russian to English, laying the groundwork for future NLP endeavors.
These early milestones in chess-playing AI and natural language processing laid the foundation for subsequent advancements in AI, contributing to the development of systems with increasingly sophisticated capabilities in strategic thinking and language understanding. In the past, people thought it was impossible to make computers think like humans. However, the work of Geoff Hinton and other scientists has made it possible to teach computers to learn and make decisions on their own. This is called machine learning, and it has already been used to make computers that can understand our voices, recognize faces, and even drive cars.
Hinton was inspired by the work of Frank Rosenblatt, who developed a computer system called a perceptron in the late 1950s. The perceptron was a simple neural network, which is a type of computer system that is modeled on the human brain. Neural networks are made up of small units called neurons, which take in data and make decisions based on that data. Rosenblatt's hope was that perceptrons could be used to teach computers to learn and make decisions like humans do. However, there was one problem. Perceptrons only worked on very simple tasks. They could not be used to learn complex things, such as how to recognize faces or how to drive cars. Hinton and other scientists have been working on ways to improve neural networks so that they can be used for more complex tasks. They have developed new algorithms and techniques that allow neural networks to learn from data more efficiently. As a result, neural networks have become much more powerful and versatile.
Sam Altman, the co-founder and former CEO of OpenAI, has a multifaceted view on artificial intelligence, AI. He recognizes its transformative potential while acknowledging the inherent risks that accompany its development. Altman describes AI as a general-purpose technology with the capability to revolutionize industries similar to the profound impact of electricity and the Internet. He believes AI's potential lies in its ability to address complex problems, automate tasks, and augment human capabilities. However, Altman also emphasizes the importance of responsible AI development, stressing the need to mitigate potential risks such as job displacement, algorithmic bias, and the misuse of AI for malicious purposes. He advocates for a balanced approach that harnesses the benefits of AI while safeguarding against its potential harms. In Altman's view, AI is a powerful tool that must be wielded with caution and foresight. He calls for collaboration among researchers, policymakers, and the public to ensure that AI is developed and used for the betterment of humanity.
Machine learning is now one of the most exciting areas of artificial intelligence. It has the potential to revolutionize many industries, and it could even one day lead to the development of artificial intelligence that is as intelligent as humans. Rosenblatt's neural network was limited because it only had one layer of neurons. This meant that it could not solve complex problems. In the late 1960s, a colleague of Rosenblatt wrote a book that showed the limitations of his neural network. This led to a decline in AI research for about 10 years.
Hinton was one of the few scientists who continued to pursue AI research in the 1970s and 1980s. He believed that neural networks could be used to solve complex problems, even though they were limited at the time. In the mid-1980s, Hinton and his colleagues developed a new type of neural network called a deep neural network. Deep neural networks are more powerful than previous neural networks because they have multiple layers of neurons. This allows them to solve more complex problems. AI research accelerated in the 2000s due to the development of faster computers and the availability of more data. Today, AI is being used to solve a wide range of problems, including image recognition, speech recognition, and machine translation.
Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, has described artificial intelligence, AI, as the most profound technology that humanity is working on now. He has also said that AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, such as climate change and poverty. Pichai has also said that AI has the potential to make the world a more just and equitable place. For example, he has said that AI could be used to improve education and healthcare for people in developing countries. However, Pichai has also acknowledged the potential risks of AI. He has said that AI could be used to create autonomous weapons that could kill without human intervention. And he has also expressed concern about the potential for AI to exacerbate inequality. Overall, Sundar Pichai's views on AI are positive and optimistic. He believes that AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, and he is committed to ensuring that AI is developed and used responsibly.
Canada is one of the leaders in AI research, and Montreal is a major center for AI research. AI is likely to have a profound impact on our lives in the years to come. The world is full of AI-powered apps that are making our lives easier. One example is Google Translate, which can translate text from one language to another. This technology was made possible by Jeff Hinton's neural networks. Neural networks are also being used to develop self-driving cars. These cars are packed with cameras, sensors, and radar that allow them to see the world around them. While self-driving cars are still in their early stages of development, they have the potential to revolutionize transportation.
Hinton's work has also inspired a generation of AI researchers. One of these researchers is Yossua Bengio, who is a professor at the University of Montreal. Bengio and his colleagues have developed many of the key concepts behind modern AI. He believes that AI has the potential to solve many of the world's problems, but he also warns about the potential dangers of AI. He believes that it is important to use AI responsibly and ethically. Montreal is a hub for AI research, and many tech giants, such as Google and Facebook, have set up shop in the city. This has led to a boom in the AI industry, and there are now many high-paying jobs available in AI. While there is much excitement about the potential of AI, there are also some concerns. Some people are worried that AI could become too powerful and could pose a threat to humanity. Others are worried about the potential misuse of AI, such as the use of AI to manipulate people's minds.
Elon Musk has expressed his views on artificial intelligence, AI, on numerous occasions, emphasizing both its potential benefits and potential risks. He has described AI as a fundamental risk to the existence of humanity and has called for careful regulation to ensure its safe development. In a 2018 interview with Axios, Musk stated that AI is potentially more dangerous than nuclear weapons and that we need to be very careful about its development. He has also expressed concern about the potential for AI to create autonomous weapons that could be used without human intervention. Despite his concerns about the risks of AI, Musk has also acknowledged its potential benefits. He has said that AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, such as climate change and poverty. Musk has also called for greater transparency in AI development, arguing that we need to know how AI systems work in order to understand their potential risks and benefits. He has also proposed that we need to develop ethical guidelines for AI development to ensure that AI is used for good. Overall, Elon Musk's views on AI are complex and nuanced. He is both concerned about the potential risks of AI and excited about its potential benefits. He has called for careful regulation of AI development to ensure that it is used safely and ethically.
It is important to have a thoughtful discussion about the future of AI. We need to ensure that AI is used for good and that it does not pose a threat to humanity. LeBird is a startup founded by Yoshua's former students. It has built an app that can clone your voice. The app can make you say anything, even words you never actually said. This technology could be used to create fake news or to impersonate someone else. The app works by recording your voice for a few minutes and then using artificial intelligence to create a digital voice for you. The digital voice can then be used to say anything you want. Some people are concerned about the potential for this technology to be misused. For example, it could be used to create fake news or to impersonate someone else. However, the app's creators say that they are committed to using their technology responsibly.
Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Meta, formerly Facebook, has consistently expressed a positive and optimistic view of artificial intelligence, AI, emphasizing its potential to unlock new possibilities and enhance human capabilities. He has described AI as a fundamental technology that will shape the future of society, much like the transformative impact of the Internet and electricity. Zuckerberg believes that AI holds immense potential to address global challenges and improve people's lives. He envisions AI being used to solve problems in areas like healthcare, education, and environmental sustainability. For instance, AI could be used to develop personalized medicine, create adaptive learning platforms, and optimize energy consumption. In Zuckerberg's view, AI is not a replacement for human intelligence, but rather a tool to augment and amplify human capabilities. He envisions a future where humans and AI work collaboratively, leveraging each other's strengths to solve problems and create new opportunities. Zuckerberg has also highlighted the importance of transparency and accountability in AI development. He believes that AI systems should be open to scrutiny and that their decisions should be explainable and understandable.
In Edmonton, Canada, some of the most far-out AI research in the world is taking place. One of the leading researchers in this field is Rich Sutton. Sutton is considered one of the great revolutionary thinkers in AI. He is working on a different way to further AI technology than Hinton's method of feeding neural networks. Sutton's method is based on the idea of reinforcement learning. This is a type of machine learning that allows machines to learn from their own experiences. Sutton believes that reinforcement learning is the key to creating truly intelligent AI. AI is learning to do things through experience, like animals and people do. This approach is called reinforcement learning. A young Brazilian named Marlos created an AI to play his video games for him. The AI learned from experience how to play the game better. Reinforcement learning has other applications, such as recommending movies and TV shows on Netflix and Amazon. It could also be used to read your brain waves and determine whether you have a mental disorder.
Rich Sutton believes that reinforcement learning is the path to what futurists call singularity, the moment when our AI creations surpass human-level intelligence. He believes that we will have the hardware for the singularity by 2030, and that it will take another 10 years to figure out the software. In the meantime, people are already blurring the line between humans and machines. For example, Corey Matthew has created an AI that does improv comedy. The AI does not know what it will say until it says it. This is because it is using a neural network that has been trained on the dialogue from a bunch of movies.
Jeff Bezos has stated that AI is a powerful tool with the potential to transform many industries and aspects of our lives. He believes that AI can be used to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and solve complex problems. For instance, AI could be used to optimize logistics and supply chains, develop personalized medicine, and enhance scientific research. However, Bezos has also cautioned about the potential risks of AI, including job displacement, algorithmic bias, and the misuse of AI for malicious purposes. He has advocated for a cautious approach to AI development, emphasizing the need for safeguards and regulations to prevent potential harm. Bezos believes that AI should be developed and used in a way that benefits society as a whole. He envisions a future where AI is used to solve problems, enhance human capabilities, and create new opportunities. However, he emphasizes the importance of responsible development and the need to address potential risks proactively.
AI is a powerful technology that can have both positive and negative consequences. On the one hand, it has the potential to automate many jobs and create unemployment. On the other hand, it can also be used to improve productivity and create new jobs. Suzanne Gildert, the founder of robotics startup Kindred, believes that robots will not be mindless competitors for humanity. She envisions a future where robots will be full-fledged citizens with the same rights and responsibilities as humans. One of the ways to achieve this is to give robots the same opportunities as humans, such as the ability to earn wages and purchase goods and services. This will help to integrate robots into society and reduce the risk of conflict. However, there are also potential risks associated with giving robots too much autonomy. For example, if a robot is able to make its own decisions about how to use its money, it could potentially make poor choices that could harm itself or others.
It is important to carefully consider the potential risks and benefits of AI before we implement it on a large scale. With careful planning, we can use AI to create a better future for everyone. Suzanne Gildert believes that robots will become full-fledged members of society with the same rights and responsibilities as humans. She believes that robots will contribute to the economy in the same way that humans do, and that they will have similar needs for rest and leisure. Some people are concerned that robots will take over jobs and cause unemployment. However, Suzanne believes that robots will also create new jobs, such as robot repair and maintenance. She also believes that robots will help to improve productivity and efficiency, which will benefit everyone. Suzanne is optimistic about the future of AI, but she also acknowledges that there are potential risks. She believes that it is important to use AI responsibly and to develop policies that address the potential negative consequences of AI. Ultimately, Suzanne believes that AI will change the world in a positive way. She believes that AI will help us solve some of the world's most pressing problems, such as poverty and disease. She also believes that AI will help us create a better future for everyone.
AI research is now focusing on artificial general intelligence, AGI, and artificial superintelligence, ASI. AGI aims to create machines that can think like humans, while ASI aims to create machines that can think even better than humans. AGI could be used to solve problems, automate tasks, and make new discoveries. However, there are also concerns that AGI could lead to job losses, biases, and security risks. ASI could be even more powerful than AGI, but it also raises more ethical concerns. For example, ASI could make decisions without human input, which could have unintended consequences. It is important to strike a balance between the potential benefits and risks of AGI and ASI. We need to develop AI responsibly, taking ethical considerations into account and working together to ensure that AI is used for good.